looking at this video, and also subscribe to this channel if you are new to this platform. We teach people how to make money online easy and fast, and yeah, I will teach you on how to join status money. Okay, you earn dollar per referral, you can refer others and cash out your money. Once you link your account, you cash out. Okay, so let's just get started. So when you go through the link in the description of this video, you will come to this platform. This page will be open for you, and you just click on join status and earn $5 for reward. Okay, so just click there, right? And you will have to fill a registration form. So you put your name, your last name, and your email address, and your name, your last name, your email address, your password, and you confirm, and you just click on create your account. Okay, so and after that you go to the next page. Housing type, and just just simple something like just put your date of birth, you put the month. Okay, make sure you put them correctly. You put the month, and this should be okay. Your annual income, you can just put 10,000. Okay, let's say 5,000. And your housing type, okay, you put on pay rent. So your zip code should be your country code. Okay, so if you're from any other country, you can just put this exactly code I'm putting right here, and just put them manually, and yeah, just put it. Okay, so yeah, just put it manually. Do you own a car? You put yes. Okay, let's just put no. And so when you are done with this, you just put click on finish, and okay, success, we found your pairs, we have used your profile information successfully, build your peer group. Okay, just scroll down. Okay, you just scroll down, and yeah, you click on go to your money. Okay, so you are seeing this basically because you haven't maybe referred anybody and actually earn for linking your account. Okay, so that is why you are seeing those 00 yeah. So when you start earning, okay, and you read all the instructions here. Okay, you just want us to partake, and all these are not just moneyful. And okay, they said just read it. Okay, read it, and so we get our money instantly. Okay, you just read this particular, yeah. You will earn $1 for linking your first account. Notice the golden badge above. Your data is encrypted and never sold to anyone. Okay, so you go with that if you have already signed up. Okay, so if you have already signed up, you go with that. And all these are not just useful for you. So what you will do next, you click on the opportunities. Okay, so what you will do next, you click on the menu. I don't know if you're seeing that. Click on the menu above. Okay, and you click on reward. You can see that, right? You just click on reward. That is a $5, right? Okay, so you are $5 away from investing or redeeming, right? So that is where our money comes in. Okay, so you can choose to invest your money, and you can choose to withdraw. So minimum cash out is just $10, and which is very simple. Okay, so minimum cash out is just $10, and if you refer, you will have to see your money start increasing. So once it gets down to $10, you can cash out your money. from whichever account method you use to link in this platform. So basically, so right now you're having your $5 bonus, and I believe you can see that here. So current balance, your $5. Okay, so you can also confirm your email if you haven't. Okay, so you just go down, verify your identity and track your crediting score. You will earn $1 for that. Okay, link your first account, you will earn $1. Okay, share your referral link and earn $1 for every person that joins and links their credit file and an account. Okay, install the Chrome extension to earn rewards as you shop online. All this, this particular one is not just useful, but we are here to refer others, and we'll begin to see our progress with this platform. Okay, so once you begin to refer others, you begin to earn more money in this platform, and registration is free. Yeah, registration is free. So you just jump into this, make sure you link your account, and everything is just encrypted and you are not losing anything, right? So that is why I love this platform. Okay, and so when you have your $10 minimum cash out, you can just invest it and keep any more. So if you wish, you can withdraw it. Okay, you can withdraw it with a free hatchback account transfer wherever you want. So you don't have to be scared of anything, right? You can withdraw your money. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so I can upload more videos like this for you, and follow up, turn on the notification bell. And so guys, I will see you in my next video.